Hey guys, this is Santosh. Me and my teammate Ashik have built this cross-chain fusion plus among Ethereum Sepolia to Stellar Starknet. So, what if I told you that swapping tokens between Ethereum and Stellar could be as simple as using Uniswap, but completely trustless and automatic? Today, I am excited to present Fusion Plus Cross-chain, a revolutionary solution that makes cross-chain atomic swap reality using 1-inch Fusion Plus architecture. So the problem statement is currently the cross-chain swaps are occurring in a centralized bridge that hold the billions in locked assets, creating massive honeypot for hackers. Users have to trust these bridges with their funds, wait hours for confirmation, and pay excessive fees. But what if we could eliminate all the trees while making swaps fast and cheaper with a trustless system which built on top of 1-inch Fusion Plus SDK? So now I'm introducing about what is cross-chain Fusion Plus. It is a trustless atomic swap protocol connecting Ethereum, Sepolia, and Stellar networks. Our solution uses hash time locked contracts and to ensure that either both parties get their token or no one for no one losses, no bridges, no custody, no trust required. So let me walk in through how simple we can do this. So this is our UI. So let's connect to MetaMask wallet. So I already connected, so yeah, showing my wallet things. So notice that clean professional design that builds trust, exactly what you'd have expect from enterprise DeFi architecture. Let's start with the Ethereum to Stellar swapping. So I'll swap the Ethereum to Stellar 0.1 Ethereum for XLM. Watch how our system instantly calculates a quote. Yeah, for the real market rate. Enter the amount, see that real-time pricing with the Dutch auction mechanic. That's like 1-inch Fusion Plus. Now we'll create a atomic swap. So the transaction is submitted to our resolver network. Notice the professional monitoring interface showing real-time status update. Now let's wait for our resolver to complete the auction and for the bid. Yeah, it's created. So let's go for Stellar to Ethereum. See how fast we are getting our quote for the Stellar to Ethereum with the real time price. Now it's been activated and yeah, it's created. So see how under the hood we are running some serious innovation, like how real STLC contracts deployed on the both Ethereum, Sepolia and Stellar testnet network. So 1-inch Fusion Plus compatible resolver that provides a liquidity process auction cross-chain secret revolution that ensure atomic execution. This isn't just a proof of concept, this is a production ready infrastructure. So yeah, so in our Ethereum XLC contracts we have a test file which we want to we created with the solid is open discipline security. It's a full partial fill support for one in fusion compatible, and it's gas optimized custom networks, built-in redundancy protection and safety deposit mechanism. The key function is create HTLC and withdraw. Create HTLC and withdraw and partial fill and refund. So the advanced feature that support both Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, proportional safety deposit and minimal fill amounts. So now let's move on to Stellar one. So we have we have used our Stellar SDK and the Storobon framework. We have built this contract. So mainly we have focused on creating a cross-chain compatible contract ID generation using KEKAK 256 for persistent storage with redundancy locks for bulletproof security. SHA-256 hash lock validation matching Ethereum standards, and yeah, its core function is like create HTLC and withdraw, refund, get HTLC. So let's move on to our fusion one. Yeah, let me show my HTLC manager. Here we are handling everything via they are the resolvers. So actually what they will do is it's a resolver, like it will do the chain monitoring with the atomic secret revelation in propagation integrated with the 1-inch fusion plus resolver for liquidity provision, real-time balance tracking and sophisticated timeout handling, cross-chain coordination, manage pad HTLC creation and secret synchronization. The atomic magic. So what the magic like we did in this is the atomic both contract locks the funds with identical secret hashes with algorithm like SHA-256 and KEKAK 256. The secret revelation when one party claims that the secret is revealed globally via event logs. So completion, the counterparty uses the same secret to claim on the other chain. So let me walk in through how we are passing this submission in a contract, right? So here the balance tracker is taking the balance of the both wallets, and it's a liquidity manager that is initializing the few it's showing the liquidity what we have, and here ETH contract ID, so what we are deployed in the HTLC contract, and it is a Stellar HTLC ID. So this is a resolver address and Stellar address. So via this we are passing a maker and receiver. So maker asset will be our address and receiver address will be our. So with this we'll create a making amount and taking amount. The source chain will be a Ethereum and destination chain will be a Stellar. So we have built what the industry has been waiting for, truly trustless cross-chain infrastructure that doesn't compromise on security or user experience. This is the future of cross-chain DeFi. Our smart contract are deployed, our resolver is running, and our UI is ready. This is not a demo, the production infrastructure. Fusion plus cross-chain, making cross-chain atomic swaps as simple as they should be, backed by a bulletproof smart contract architecture.